Alright, so I'm over here on the Fairlane. I gotta get this brake hub off, or brake, yeah, the drum. Get the drum off. And I'm gonna have to smash it with a sledgehammer until it comes off, because that's what I did with the last time. So you get to watch me. Alright, have fun. Alright, got the hub off. Honestly, they don't look that bad, but I'm just not sure of the conditions, and I wanted to have them off. Now, I know the other side, it's cracked down the center, but I got new brake pads, or shoes for them, and supposedly I have one new one of these, but I'm not sure which side, so I have to figure that out. But I'm going to swap out these brakes, and hopefully just have them ready for new drums. So anyway, that's what you'll see me do next. I'm just finishing up. I didn't really get to where I wanted to go, but I got everything cleaned up, got the brake lines and reinstalled on the back, and the front I got the drum off, which I thought was going to take me a lot longer. It took me a lot less time. Still gonna have to replace the studs, which whatever, they're brand new, so it's not a big deal. And maybe tomorrow I'll go ahead and replace the actual brakes and the brake line. That'd be great. And then all I have to do is wait for the hubs to come in, or drums to come in, and drop them right on. I am working on the brakes today. So anyway, you'll see I already took the hub off, or the drum off. Now I got to take off the old pads. This pad's cracked right here. Old pads are coming off. Going to take this off. I have a new one to replace it. I will probably rebuild this one though. And that's it. Put it back together. I'm having trouble with the drums, because to get them off, I had to beat the crap out of them, and so they're all dinged up and broken. Went to go replace them. Rock Auto sent me the wrong ones. Thank you, Rock Auto. Hopefully they'll send me back the right ones. So this is the goal, is to get them done. Anyway, sit back and watch. All right, I don't know sure if you saw by the video, but this right here, this cable's bad, or line's bad. But somebody, before I did, rounded that off. So now I have to most likely replace this or replace the little B-nut. So we'll see what I can do. It's not a big piece, so I may just see if I can find it to replace it. I have the new cylinder, the stick on here, so that will go on there, and then that's about all I'll do today. I have the new line as well, so I'll throw that on there. Gosh dang it. Let's see if I can break it loose with the... Alright, there we go. See, it goes right on, no problem. New screws. Tommy was around here somewhere. Disappeared on me. But the other, I've actually already done the other side of the brakes, so it's not. So all I have to do is, I got new drums. However, the drums that they sent were wrong, as mentioned earlier. So I'm kind of like sitting at a standstill once I get these brakes done. And I won't be able to even work on these, finish them up until I get back from my TDY. So, not real happy about that. I was hoping to have the brakes done and hopefully take it for a first ride, but couldn't do that. So now, I'll just do what I can so it's nice and easy to get done before I leave. Alright, that's on. Let me stick this on. I'm actually gonna put this little washer on. There it goes. So now, for me to install this little guy, I'll just have to get that and basically put that right there, pull this little clip, take this off, and yeah, that'll be it. But where's these little things? So the these little push rods that come out of here, I want to go clean those up, lube up this whole, leave these up so they snap in. And once I get these done, actually I'll probably put the brake shoes on. So anyway, but this is where I'm stopping today, and maybe tomorrow I'll finish up putting the rest of it on. Finishing up the brakes, and I did make a new line. Kind of goes in like this, up there, back here. I was able to take off the old line. Where is it? But yeah, it's, you can see it's pretty bad. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm gonna the fitting that I got, I guess, is a metric fitting. So now I have to go get a standard fitting or something. I don't know. The thread pitch is off. So I gotta go get a new fitting before I can actually install this. So that'll be another day. I actually made that line. So anyway, just sit back and watch. So now I'm tackling, whoop, see it. I can get a light right. Tackling the, I'm not sure if you can see it. There we go. This line right here. That hose. Get that thing taken care of. So anyway, it might not take too long, but we'll find out. Alright, I'm going to end it here. Got this line on. Mainly on that side, it was the big part. I got to blow these lines out. There's a little bit of crud stuck in this one, so before I even get started, I want to blow from the back to here, and then from front, from those sides to here. Just get all that stuff out, and that'll be it. So I probably won't even bother filming, putting all these in, because it's just a matter of tightening them down and putting that in. And this right here is the vent for the axle, so I'll just push that back on, and that'll be it. And it's just a matter of bleeding the brakes after I blow out those lines, and that's it. So probably won't even bother. Probably next time I do anything, well, I guess next time I do anything, it'll probably be maybe a first drive, if I can get these brakes done this week. Still waiting on the front drums, but the way the old drums will stay on there until I can get the new drums in, so it should still work. But yeah, so that's the end of it for the brakes. Now I'll just have to bleed them and attach these lines. So All right, till next time.